Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add background image to specific pages using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option. Now select Background option and select an Add Background. Now select a File option and open your Browse option and select your background image. I'll add this one and I'll add this background image only for first two pages. Select an specific pages and page 1 to 2. Now select OK and OK. See this background image are added only for two pages and again go background option and select update and select another image and this one and insert this background image for last three pages 3 to 5 and select OK. Okay. And see the last three pages background image now added different image and first two pages this different image. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.